Hi, I'm Li Haoyu, Design Director at the Nissan Global Design Center. I'm excited to walk you through the design of all-new 2026 Sentra, which showcases daring yet sophisticated design. In Japanese, Shin represents a sense of speed that is agile yet effortless. This concept inspired us to redefine the design of a sedan. Our goal was to incorporate stretch lines that will make the new Sentra appeal wider, bolder, and more dynamic. The V-motion has become bolder and digitized. We seamlessly connect chrome with lighting for a modern, clean look. The beautiful fastback silhouette, highlighted by a sleek arch and satin finish, enhances its proportions, giving a more premium and confident look. You will find brand new modern wheel designs across all trims. On the SL grade behind me, you will find unique 18-inch wheels. They work nicely with the SR exclusive side sill rear spoiler and a unique rear bumper. On the rear of the car, we can find this new all-LED tail lamp with a blackout expression to be techy and clean. The masculine rear fenders are memorable and emphasize its daring attitude. Moving inside, the balance of the premium quality and useful energy continues. We want to provide upscale, high-tech, and open impression. Interior design was a strong point in the previous Sentra, so we want to elevate that reputation even further. The dual 12.3-inch display are precisely positioned for ease of use, and they blend cleanly into the dash. Interior materials will undergo rigorous testing to ensure they last. We pay attention to not just how the materials look, but how they feel. Drivers will find high-quality materials and excellent fit finishes throughout.